APS Cloud Timesheets includes the web application and the mobile application. Today, we'll take a look at the web application. Cloud Timesheet web application allows for easy access to timesheets from your browser. Here you can enter side-by-side time entries, favoritize entries, and keep up with your glide time. Once your administrator has set you up for use of cloud products, you will receive an email registration link. Follow the email instructions to log into Cloud Timesheets. Navigating Cloud Timesheets is easy. Each row in the grid represents one unit of time for the logged-in user. There are 3 calendar views available. The 1, 5, and 7 icons represent the number of days displayed in the calendar. You can navigate through the week by using the header navigation bar, or you can use the header blocks on the right-hand side. The zoom feature gives you a closer view of the hours in your timesheet. Let's add an entry. There are multiple ways to add a timesheet entry. Select a unit of time, go to the Actions menu, click Add. Double-click on the diary view, or hold down the Shift key to select a block of units for entry. In the Time Entry screen, select the Recent Clients button to find a list of previously used clients. There is also an Internal button for internal time entries. When searching for a client, there is a ticked box to the right of the field. When this is ticked, the search will be names starting with. When the box is unticked, it will search names containing. Fill in the remaining fields required. You can save an entry as a draft if it has at least one piece of information entered. Click Save to Favorites to favoritize this entry. For a quick add, click into the Favorites view to see your saved list. Drag and drop the entry to a date and time to use it. Next, we're going to look at editing entries. You can edit entries by double-clicking into them, or selecting the entry, Actions, Edit. You can also cut and paste an entry to move it to a new time slot. If you've created any entries you no longer need, you can use the Delete function in the Actions menu to remove them. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to delete or cut and paste entries for quick editing. You can seamlessly move entries to a new date and time using click and drag method. Entries showing a padlock indicate that they are locked for editing as they are in an active fee. If your firm is using Force Post, then the entries will be automatically posted and the entries will have a padlock icon. If you would like to use glide time and it's enabled by your administrator, you will have access to this feature. This feature allows users to record and calculate extra hours worked or time taken from the glide time repository. Select a header where glide time is relevant. It can be calculated for the week by clicking on the internal hours of the glide time row. This will display a glide time pop-up where changes can be made. Click Save. Once calculated, the glide time hours will show as internal hours in the glide time row. Extra or accrued hours worked are displayed in red and in brackets. Used or deficit hours worked are displayed in black. Logging time on behalf of a teammate is simple, with the Switch User function. Click onto the hamburger icon, switch user, enter the user's name, and click Switch. This will open the user's timesheet. This is only available for those with sufficient rights allowing you to log time on behalf of other users. Once your timesheets are finalized, you'll need to complete them. Click the tick below your header week. A pencil will indicate that the header week is complete. Clicking the edit pencil will reactivate the week if editing is required. The refresh icon allows you to recalculate the week totals, should this be required. Thank you for watching the Cloud Timesheets Handy Tips and User Guide video, and remember to check out my APS for any updates.